Panorama Point. Right, Panorama Point. And in defense of darkness. There's where they talk about how light affect being able to see the sky. See this? Very bad, bad, better, and best. Yep. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Hmm. Wow. Hmm. Okay. Oh, I notice there's a sign up there. I'm gonna walk up there. Hmm. Wow. Hmm. Yeah, look at that. Closer look. Hmm. Gosh. That's the road we're going to be heading down to go towards Bryce Canyon. Look at that overlook. Oh, cool. Little balancing rocks. I think they qualify as balancing rocks. There we go. Whoops. Ah. Okay, let's go take a look at that sign that's right over there. Clearing the air. Okay, you can read that. I'll hold it here for a while. You can pause it and read it. Okay, now I'll move it over. Let's take a look at that. That's a picture looking at the same direction. Hmm. Well, it's really clear today. Okay, I'm going to do, whoa, do a look around like this. Move up here more. right here. Take a look around now. Gotta do a selfie like this, a video, and maybe I can use it for my thumbnail in my video. Wow. Okay, there we go. Let me flip around just like so. Head back down to the car.
Take the next left at Goosenecks Road, then turn left onto Utah 24 West.
So we still have one more stop here
Okay.
at Capitol Reef.
Take the next left onto Utah 24 West.
See the sign for it here. Let's see. Yep. Chimney Rock.
Turn right onto Utah 24 West.
I'm using the GPS on my phone. Still got that on. Chimney Rock Trail. Let's take a look. And we're not going on a trail. We're just hoping to see Chimney Rock from here. Okay. Chimney Rock Trail. That's it there. Hey, you were here, so I'm thinking that's Chimney Rock right there. There we go. I think so. I'm guessing that's the other side of it. Chimney Rock back there. Pretty sure that's it anyways. For this video it is. Okay. That's what it looks like that direction. Looks like it would be a beautiful hike though, but not today. Heading back to the car. Yeah, that's going to do it for Capitol Reef State Park. Or National Park. I'm going to grab my pop. I'm going to be driving now.